Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And today, guys, we've got an awesome product that will not only give you wireless CarPlay in your ride if you've got wired CarPlay, but it also has a camera that you can put anywhere in your car so you can see, well, whatever you point this thing at. It even looks like a cool little owl, but its primary function is really to see the kiddos in the back without having to turn all the way back there and look at them. Not always the mirror works that great, and so this awesome product will solve that. Thank you, Ottocast, for sending this over. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing, see what all comes with, and test it out in this 2025 Chevrolet Traverse. Now, there is one important thing to mention. This particular product is only compatible with iPhones. You have to have an iPhone to use this one. So let's go ahead and unbox the Ottocast Cabin Care Car Adapter. Say that 5 times fast. It has full screen, split screen, picture-in-picture ability. It has a high resolution display, 360 camera rotation, wireless CarPlay, and infrared night vision. And so you'll be able to see your kids or your pet there in the back seat right there in your car. We're going to test that out, see how good it works. Let's get that open. Got some instructions here. It's good night. It's extensive, guys. I usually show you everything in here, but there is a lot. I'll just give you a few example pages, shows you how you can attach it. And now we've got different languages. So maybe it's not, as wide or as, I guess, extensive as I thought. Shows you how to connect to the internet and so on and so forth. Here's our quick guide. This is what we're interested in. We've got the receiver. You plug it into the USB. Easy enough. If you only have a USB-C, there's an adapter. You can strap this thing to the headrest, or you can attach it there. We'll check out the back. Shows us to plug this little camera on in to power it up. You can see some barcodes there to help you. Look at this thing, guys. I'm not like a cutesy kind of guy, but this thing's pretty cute. It's got like a rubbery feel to it. This side is a camera lens, so that's really neat. Let's see if we can take off the protective lens. He's winking at you. And the back side is the mount. So this is our camera. Very neat. We've got our actual plug-in adapter that will go into the car. We've got a USB-C adapter, if that's what your car has, or if that's just what you prefer. Now we've got some cabling here. We've got this long cable, so it can go to your camera. You can run it under the seat and up the side or something like that. We've got those straps there. You can put it to your headrest. You can run it through this. And then you've got the little clamp. So it looks like this thing operates pretty simple. You just open it up, put this on there as a spacer, open this plastic piece up, shove it around there, get this to where you want it, and then pinch it shut. That's simple. And I still have that sticker. All right, guys, how do we get this on the back? I'm pretty sure that we'll unscrew this. Go ahead and put it on the ball mount. Pop this on. There we go. Nice and sturdy. There's your USB-C connection. And we'll just screw it on. Okay, so we're ready to get this mounted in the car. We'll go ahead and do that first. That way when we power on our device, we will be able to see this. So we've got our headrest here. Mine has a button right here. Some of them have them right there where you can simply push it, raise your headrest up. I recommend going ahead and doing it all the way. Let's let our bracket loose by pulling on this tab. Lets it loose. Go ahead and unlatch it. Pop out our little spacer. Let's go ahead and place it on there. So you can rotate this back and forth. You could also turn it the other way, so it could be mounted a little bit higher in case you didn't want your child kicking it. I think I may actually reposition it and do it that way now. Now maybe my kid won't be able to kick it. All right, so I've got this plugged in. Goes down there and right over there. I'll probably tuck my wires into here for that nice complete look. Now to the front. All right, go ahead and find where your USB is. Mine is right down here. Go ahead and find your little adapter and plug it in. Now we should wait for this to connect. Okay, connecting car 5FDB. Let's go ahead and tell it to switch phones. We will go ahead and hit enable. All right, so we went ahead and popped up language. Let's go ahead and hit next. And we can pick, do we want CarPlay or camera? Let's just go ahead and hit camera. I don't know. All right, so we need to now get on our phone. And so here we go. We're going to do just like the instructions say and click this. Make sure that, let's go ahead and pair. Sure, let's go ahead and do all that good stuff. And connect. Please connect camera to power. I did a minute ago. Oh, and there we go. Oh, wow, guys, check that out. That is the back seat. All right. Oh, okay. I'm in the back seat and I see me in the camera and I also see me in the screen. Check that out, guys. That is so cool. But I see like there's the slightest delay, but not by much. I mean, you definitely see, you know, if something was happening back here. That is so cool, guys. I really think this is neat and a really great idea for parents, for sure, if you've got an iPhone. So I should just do the rest of the video like this. Oh, wow. That looks really good. And I've got this harsh light on me. I'll turn it around, but it does. It looks great. I'm going to actually turn it off and see, you know, what it looks like in the dark. It said it has night vision. So let's just go ahead and see if it lives up to that. Turn all these lights off. Okay, I'm in the dark now. Oh, sweet. Kind of creepy, but it absolutely works, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the actual CarPlay. So if we click this, we've obviously got the camera. There we go. Now we can go right to CarPlay from here. So we've got that, which is really neat. So we've got CarPlay, maps and all that. We'll hit this back button. Goes back to this screen. I'll go to camera now. Takes just a second. Now let's do split screen. Now we've got camera and we've got CarPlay. Guys, tell me that is not awesome. So now let's go ahead. Now I've got CarPlay and I've got this. And so we could just kind of move it wherever we want. If we're like doing navigation or something, we can still be watching the kids back here on this smaller screen. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. You are watching me on the screen still. I've just got the camera pointed out and I'm standing by the car. This thing is really cool and could be an awesome safety feature for your ride, and I think your kids will think it's neat as well, especially if they can look up there and see that screen and they see themselves. I really think this should be something like Invention of the Year. It's just so neat and has so many practical uses. Ottocast, thank you once again for sending this out. It's a really cool product. And guys, let me know, what do you think about this? Just drop in the comments. What do you think? Is this a cool idea or not? And would you be interested in getting one? Because if you are, you can go in the link in the description. I've got a coupon code, save you a couple bucks if this is up your alley. You need an iPhone though, so don't forget that. And don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good pools, and God bless.